Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are making Tang Yuan, a Chinese dessert made of glutinous rice flour and water. You're going to mix the two together to get a tacky dough. Make sure it doesn't dry out, so I tend to make mine more on the stickier side. Once you have the dough to your preferred texture, roll them into small balls and then boil them until they float. A famous version of Tang Yuan has black sesame paste inside. This version, I'm going to roll the balls in a leftover mixture of pistachio, chocolate, and coconut flakes that I had from a different video. Usually in my family, we would eat it with peanuts and sugar. It's absolutely delicious, and I hope you try it. Thank you.